Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Spirit Airlines plane ticket in 2024. Whether your plans have changed or you just need to cancel your flight, understanding how to refund from Spirit Airlines is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for your Spirit Airlines plane tickets in 2024. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to understand, or before even requesting a refund, you'll need to understand that it's crucial to understand like Spirit's Airlines refund policy. Spirit Airlines offers limited refund options, primarily for refundable fares or in case of flight cancellation initiated by the airline, not by you. And non-refundable tickets typically receive a credits for future travels. So to understand more about their policy, we'll need to go to their website. So we can open a browser, go open whatever you want. For me, I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just type Spirit and so Spirit Airlines refund policy, as simple as that, and hit the enter button. Make sure to click on the first link. Then just go and delete. Oh, sorry. So just open it in a new tab and delete that, and go and click on that. Then go to the first link. So first of all, if you are already sure about your tickets is refundable and you don't like need to know the privacy policy or not the policy of course of refund, you can simply just go to their website spirit.com, go and click on that. Of course, make sure to log in into your account. As you can see, once you log in into your account, you can simply just go and click on trips or reservation. Click on that trip or reservation that you have, click on cancel. Once you cancel it, you'll be able to start the refund process right away. Very easy. That's of course if you already like have an account. If you don't have an account, you just got your trip as a guest, you can simply have two options. Either you go to your email, the email that they sent you the tickets as example. So let's say that it's this email. You'll find the link to cancel the flights and just click on it to cancel the flight. And after that, you'll be able to ask for a refund. As I said, if you are very sure you are only eligible for the refund policy. So if you don't want to do that, there is this option. If you go to thespirit.com, you can go to my trips in here. And as you can see, you don't have to log in. You can simply just go and click on find my trip. Just enter your last name with your confirmation code. Then click on continue. If you don't know where to find the confirmation code, click on here. As you can see, they'll tell you where to find it. This is example your flight. You'll find this right here. So just go, enter that confirmation code within your last name, click on continue, they'll show you your flight, click on cancel, then you'll be able to request a refund. As I said, this is if you're already sure like your ticket is already eligible for refund. If you're not sure, you can simply go and read this with us to understand if you're eligible for it or not. So can I change or cancel my reservation? Plans change, we understand. And that's why we offer several options on how to change or cancel a reservation quickly and easily. Reservation can be changed or canceled by visiting My Trips, as I said before. You can log in into your account. That's if you have an account. Visit your trips. You'll find the trips right there. You'll be able to change it or cancel it. Then you'll be able to refund it. As you can see, enter your name, confirmation number. That's, of course, if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you can simply just click on your account and My Trips, and you'll find your trip there. If you don't have an account, as I said, click on My Trips and fill up those informations. Then processing, of course, with the steps to change or cancel a flight. Of course, you can also click here to chat with us. If you click here, as example, you'll be able to cancel the support, as you can see, or to contact the support, not cancel. And we are, as you can see, here to help you if you have any questions. So you can cancel or make changes like adding bags or choosing seats, manage your reservation for that. You can text or WhatsApp us directly, as you can see, with hello, or you can submit your feedback, as example, to let us know if you have a complaint. If you have one of those like frequently asked questions, you can click on it and you'll be able to read the answer. And if you want to contact them right away, click on Let's Chat, and it will open a chat right here. So you'll be able, of course, to answer or to chat with them. Of course, example, you can choose here English and etc. as you can see, just read all of that and click on chat now, privacy policy, whatever you want. Once you click on chat now, they will take you to chat with a real person. So yeah, direct messaging us on social media, as an example, or speaking to a guest server agent as their local airport. As you can see, you have so all of those options to cancel or change. Either you chat with them, direct message on social media, go to your trip and my trips and cancel it by your own, or speak to a guest service agent on the local airports. As simple as that. And changes can be made online up to 1 hour before scheduled departure. If a guest cancels a reservation within 24 hours or less from booking for a flight that is 7 or more days away, they are eligible for a full refund in the original form of payments. So if I book my flight today and the flight is going to be so today's 7th of July. So if I book it for 12th of July and I cancel it right away, I'll be able to get a full refund in the original form of payments. Either I pay with Stripe, like PayPal, my just credit card right away, and then whatever I pay with. As you can see, guests who are not entitled to a refund will receive a reservation credits for the value of the reservation. Airfare, government taxes and fees, and salary fees and carriers fee difference may apply when making an itinerary changes to a reservation. You can click here for information on how to use a reservation, credits, or book for future travel with us. As example, they will show you basically how to book with the points and etc. As simple as that, an example. So you can pay on full or use your credits that you have, and yeah, you should be good to go. So as simple as that. 4 options to cancel or change. If you do it within 24 hours, you can cancel it right away and you will get a full refund. You will cut nothing from it. You will get it on the original form of payment. And yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.